channel Ride with Patrick. So as you can see now I'm leaving home and I have the Insta in what we call the unicorn, so it's quite long forward, but you can see that it's not quite steady. It's shaky, it moves up and down, and I didn't like it. So what I did, I changed the position. You can see I'm sitting on it now, and that position I call it the rhino. So it's actually hold it between my legs and on the brake line. So you see with as it's quite stable now. Just to say hi to one of my neighbor. It shakes a little bit when you take a bump, but it's really stable. And I like the fact that you can see as well the front of the motorcycle, and you can see. I mean, it's a narrow view, I would say. So now we'll just jump in fast forward. Here we go. Even though it's fast forwarding, you can see it's quite steady. So now I'm moving to the second position. The second position, I call it sit on it. So you see I'm taking the stick and I'm actually sitting on it, and it's coming out on the right side of the motorcycle, and again it's really steady. I tried it on the motorway as well, it works like a charm. And now the third position I put it in the back, and I call it up yours. Well, because you're actually sitting on it as well, but this that position I just stacked it between the CC bar and the seat. That's why you can see it's a little bit on the right side, and it's the first time I tried it, so I had to check that it wasn't moving, but I see afterwards that it's not moving at all. So now you saw the three way of using how I use my Insta 360, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.